After I opened up the box and put the Sunjoe detacher machine together, first thing I did was I mowed the lawn as short as I could get it with the lawnmower. Once I completed mowing the lawn, then it was time to detach the lawn. I am using the Sunjoe on level 5 for the first pass with the metal rake installed. Now on this first pass I did use the bagger, but I quickly found that the bagger is really too small to do more than 1.5 passes with this machine. So I decided to remove the bagger and just use the machine without the bagger. So being a newbie at doing this, I went ahead and just raked the sidewalk by hand. This is one pass. You can see how much dead grass has come out of there. I'm very impressed with that machine, although I just started using it. I'm gonna give it one more pass on -5 and call it good for the power rake, or what some people call the detacher. Second pass is complete. You see how much dead grass is in there. There's some green grass, but there's a ton of dead grass. I've been living here about 14 years and I've never detached the lawn, and as you can see, it's not looking that great, but I think it's going to be a big improvement. Just this little section of sidewalk, it's about 5 feet wide and about 30 feet deep. I got this pile right here of dead grass, and it's about 2 feet by 3 feet and about 2 feet high. I can't believe it had that much dead grass in there. I will be detaching the front lawn in the same way that I did the sidewalk. So the first pass is on height adjustment level 5. After I did this first pass, I started thinking maybe I can use the lawnmower to pick this up. And I gotta say, it did a pretty good job of picking up most of the dead grass, and it was easier than hand raking. Here is a second pass with the Sunjoe set at height level -5. After I'm done with the second pass, again, I use the mower to pick up all the dead grass. So the front yard is done with the power rake. I got that from the sidewalk. Cycling barrel is half full just from the front yard. Now that I'm done with the power rake, I'm going to go ahead and remove those 2 screws on the right side of the rake. Once those screws are removed, the rake will slide right out. Now you take the Scapfire, put it in the same way you took out the rake or detacher, and then you just put those 2 bolts back in, being careful not to over tighten those. Remember, this whole machine is plastic. The last thing you want to do is strip out one of those bolts. Now that the Scarifier is installed on the Sunjoe, I am going to give it one more pass on height level -5. Once the final pass is complete, again, I take the mower and I use it to pick up any dead grass that's on the lawn. And then I do a final rake by hand to get everything that's left behind by the mower. So now that the detaching is done, I'm gonna go ahead and drop some seed. Now this seed is a 3-in-1 from Scotts. It has a seed, fertilizer, and soil improvement. I will be using setting number 9 on the spreader. That's according to the directions. And I'm gonna spread some seed on this, and hopefully in a month's time, it'll look a lot better than it does right now. From now on, I'll be watering this twice a day because it is fall and the weather is nice and cool now. So I figured twice a day I should be good to go. Just do a little walk through here, get a good look at the grass. I mean, it looks worse than what it was, but that was all dead grass that was in there, and it was pretty much choking out the grass I do have. I'm kind of wondering if I didn't destroy the lawn, but I think in a month's time this is going to look fantastic. I really do believe that. I've had this lawn since I've owned the house, 14 years, and it's never been detached. Yeah, it's looking pretty bad, man. I got this thing down to bare dirt. Hopefully that Scotts seed, that 3-in-1 seed, will do a good job and fill in, and man, I don't know, we'll see in a month. All right. Oh, here's the sidewalk. It's been a month and a week. Looks really good. This one looks even better compared to what it was. Look how nice that looks. Now the front yard is coming in nicely. I still have some spots here and there that I have to reseed. I did lay the seed down, and it appears that the birds got quite a bit of it. Every time I came outside, there was a ton of birds eating the seed that I laid down. So what I'll do is I'll put down another application of grass seed and see if it takes. And here's the backyard, and this looks fantastic compared to what it looked like before. Check it out. There's some areas here that are shady areas. These have always been problem areas for me. I gotta say, overall, the Sunjoe detaching machine is a great buy. Fantastic what that little machine did for my lawn. I'm very happy with it. You all take care. God bless. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.